a comprehensive guide to using yoga props for a safe and supportive practice. Yoga props are valuable tools that can make yoga accessible, comfortable, and enriching for everyone, regardless of experience or ability. Whether you are a beginner, building strength and flexibility, recovering from an injury, or an advanced practitioner looking to go deeper into poses, props can greatly enhance your yoga journey. In this lesson, we will explore the essential yoga props, mats, blocks, and straps, and discuss how they can support your practice with safety, alignment, and ease. By incorporating these props thoughtfully, you'll build confidence and deepen your understanding of yoga. Yoga props are essential aids designed to provide support, improve alignment, and enhance comfort throughout yoga practice. Though often deemed optional, they are excellent tools for practitioners of all levels. For beginners, props help bridge gaps in flexibility and strength. For those recovering from injury, they add crucial support to prevent overextension or strain. In this tutorial, we'll focus on 3 indispensable props: yoga mats, blocks, and straps, each selected to enhance your practice in unique ways. As we proceed, we'll explore practical uses, the benefits of each prop, and tips for selecting the right one. From achieving challenging stretches to maintaining proper balance, these tools can transform the way you approach yoga. The yoga mat is more than just an accessory. It is the foundation of your practice. It provides a stable, cushioned surface, ensuring both comfort and safety as you flow between poses. Safety and stability. Yoga mats prevent slipping, offering a non-slip grip for hands and feet in standing, balancing, or weight-bearing poses. Cushioning and comfort. They protect sensitive joints like knees and wrists from hard surfaces, delivering a gentle layer of support during seated poses or transitions. Defining personal space. Mats create a mental home base where you can focus on alignment, movement, and breath without distractions. Thickness. Choose thin mats, 1/16 inch, for better balance in standing poses, or thicker mats, 1/4 inch, for joint cushioning during seated or restorative practices. Material and grip. Durable PVC mats provide excellent grip, while eco-friendly options like cork and natural rubber offer comfort with sustainability. Texture. Textured mats help avoid slipping during sweaty, fast-paced practices like vinyasa, while smoother mats work well for slow, meditative styles like hatha. Yoga blocks are versatile tools designed to help practitioners achieve proper alignment, extend flexibility, and deepen their practice. By bridging the gap between your body and the floor, blocks create a safer and more accessible way to explore poses that might otherwise feel beyond reach. Extending reach. Blocks make it easier to access floor poses like triangle pose, trikonasana, or forward fold, uttanasana, for those with limited flexibility. Supporting balance and alignment. Blocks provide stability in balance poses like half moon, Ardha Chandrasana, or assist in maintaining alignment in challenging stretches. Increasing comfort, whether supporting the hips in hero pose, virasana, or aiding in reclined poses, blocks allow for greater ease and relaxation. Low height, flat side. A slight lift is perfect for poses where minimal support is needed, such as in downward dog. Medium height, long side. Use this setting for seated poses like garland pose, malasana, when moderate elevation is helpful. High height or tall side. Ideal for deep stretches in standing poses or for seated back support during restorative sequences. Material. Foam blocks are lightweight and beginner-friendly. Cork blocks provide grip and firmness. Wooden blocks are sturdy but heavier. Size, standard dimensions, 4 by 6 by 9 inches are versatile, but larger options can support individuals with limited range of motion or broader body frames. Yoga straps, sometimes called yoga belts, are indispensable for increasing flexibility while maintaining proper alignment. They allow you to gradually deepen poses without compromising safety or stability. Extending reach. Straps bridge gaps in flexibility, helping you reach hands or feet in poses like seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana, or reclining big toe pose, Supta Padangusthasana. Maintaining alignment. They support proper posture and alignment by keeping limbs steady, as seen in bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Improving balance and control. Straps enable gradual progression in challenging stretches while enhancing stability in standing or reclining poses. Loop for foot reach. Wrap straps around your feet during forward folds to assist in lengthening the spine while deepening the stretch. Shoulder openness. Use a strap for chest-expanding exercises like cow face pose, Gomukhasana. Balance in Warrior III. A strap looped around the foot can provide balance and aid alignment in standing poses. Length. Standard straps range from 6-8 feet, but taller practitioners should opt for longer straps. Material. Cotton straps are soft and durable, while nylon options suit more rigorous practice. Closures. D-rings and buckles allow for easy adjustments, ensuring the strap stays secure. To maximize the benefits of props, follow these simple tips for an intentional approach to your practice. Start slow. Gradually integrate blocks and straps, focusing on alignment and avoiding overstretching. Experiment. Adjust block heights or strap lengths to discover the settings that best support your body's range of motion. Listen to your body. Use props to respect your limits and customize the practice to suit your individual needs. Which poses do you feel props might help you explore with greater safety or ease? How could a supportive yoga mat impact your comfort during flow sequences or seated poses? Are there specific aspects of strength, flexibility, or alignment you'd like to improve with the assistance of props? By incorporating these thoughtful tools into your practice, you create an enriching, supportive environment for growth on and off the mat.